When is it better to use a trade company versus the factory? Is there a scenario for you when that's the case?
I work a lot with trading companies, actually, and there is a general misconception that working with trading companies is bad, and all you need to do is you need to find a manufacturer at source. But these days, all of the companies are trading companies in a way. I mean, a factory often claims, I'm a factory, but in reality, all they do is they assemble the raw materials that they get from their raw material factories. I've seen it so many times, and because it's not feasible these days anymore to manufacture everything in-house, painting, metal, packaging, metal stamping maybe, all these things cost a lot of money. And what we do in the FBA world, we outsource a lot of our tasks, and so do the suppliers in China. I mean, they work with so many different suppliers, raw material suppliers, packaging suppliers. They don't do everything in-house anymore. So coming back to the main question, when do you work with a trading company or factory? I mean, if I've been working with a factory for a while, but they're also trading company for other products that maybe are similar to the products that they're making, I'm happy to tell him, look, looking for a remote control, can you also source that for me? I know it's not your usual thing, but can you source that for me from another factory? And, they have thousands of contacts that I may not even be able to reach. And some factories, they don't want to work together with customers directly. Either, for example, they don't have an export license, or they have big enough customers. Some factories are inaccessible. So it's a question of, am I happy with my prices? Am I happy with my service? Or, am I having troubles with my trading company? I mean, a trading company takes off a lot of things from your shoulder. For example, if the factory doesn't speak any English and the trading company does speak English and they have a lot of experience with Western companies, and the factory does not have any experience with Western companies, I'm happy to work with a trading company, even if that means I pay 20 cents on the product more.
Yeah, that makes sense. The English can be a massive thing. What do you use, by the way? What tool do you use to actually communicate with suppliers? You Skype? What's that?
I Skype.
Okay.
I Skype. I know they all want to use WeChat, but I hate WeChat for some reason. I don't know. So if I have quick things, I do it through Skype, or I often call, actually. And if I want to have something in written, like, something important, I send an email.
For more information, insider tools, and to get the resources mentioned in this episode, visit AMPMpodcast.com.